Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel Pharmano. I am Ankush Bansod. I am currently studying in NIPR Lucknow, Department Pharmacology and Toxicology. Guys, today video topic is perform molecular docking using Pyrex software. How to perform molecular docking using Pyrex software. Let's start. Guys, you are new on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Pharmano and press the bell icon. You get all notification of my new videos. Let's start. Firstly, open this Pyrex software. It is an interface Pyrex virtual screening tool. Guys, I already prepared protein that COMT catechol O methyl transferase. Guys, you don't watch this video how to prepare protein, watch that video. I give the video link in the description. After open this Pyrex, this is the interface of Pyrex. Guys, this software freely available for download. I giving the link in description. Go through that link and download free. This is interface already contains Vina Wizard, Autodoc Wizard, Open Babel, this molecule Autodoc, is it 3D sync, 2D plots, and documents and table. First step is you want protein. I prepared protein already, COMT catechol O methyl transferase. Go to file, this is file, and load molecules. I prepared that protein and I select that protein. You open desktop, open this COMT. This is a protein 1JR4. Select and open this. This is a protein 1JR4 catechol O methyl transferase. Second step, I want ligand. I already select COMT ligand like tolcapone. In this I selection other inhibitor like other COMT inhibitors like itcapone. Guys, you don't watch this video how to prepare ligand, go and watch. I give this link in description how to prepare ligand. For other ligand itcapone, you go to Google and search PubChem. This is PubChem. You search any ligand like any drug molecule in this box. I select itcapone. It is a itcapone. Select and open this. It is a PubChem ID 5281081 itcapone PubChem ID. This structure 2D 3D crystal. Itcapone, it is the information of itcapone is a catechol O methyl transferase inhibitor used in therapy of Parkinson's disease. I want 3D structure of that itcapone. It is a 3D structure. Go to download and download SDF file. Save. It is a download completed. Open Pyrex. For ligand, you go to file and import, and for select chemical table file HDF. After selecting this, next go to download, and this is ligand 5281081. Open this. This is a 8 carbon COMT inhibitor. I want PDBQT file this protein and as well as ligand. Okay, I convert this protein into PDBQT. PDBQT file is store the atom and charges of protein and ligand. Go to select this protein, right click, go to Autodoc and make micromolecules. It is automatically converted into PDBQT files. Okay, go to Autodoc. This is a 1JR4 converted PDBQT file. This is a PDBQT file 1JR4 COMT in COMT catechol-O-methyl transferase protein. I want also ligand PDBQT. It is a ligand 5281081. Select this 5281081, right click, minimize all for energy minimization, minimize all, and right click and convert selected to Autodoc ligand PDBQT. Okay, this converted this is ligand Autodoc. This is a ligand converted PDBQT files 5281081 converted PDBQT. Okay, next step is I screen these ligand and proteins for binding energy and interaction between proteins and ligand. For that you select proteins and ligand. It is a ligands and it is a protein. For that you press control button and select this ligand, and this is a protein 1JR4 catechol-O-methyl transferase, and this is it coupon. Go to Vina Wizard. This is a Vina Wizard. Go to Vina Wizard and select molecules. This select molecule 5 to ligand and protein. Select molecules. After this is a two option, back and forward. After select molecule you want forward. This is a grid box. I want this grid box for all over the proteins. I selected these. I selected all proteins. Okay, next step is forward. This is forward and these are centers and dimensions. After forward, started screening. Wait for that percentage. It is a percentage 0 to 100%. Guys, you don't need put any command line like autodoc. This software gives the command. Wait for 100%. It is a screen between the ligand and protein interaction. Thirty completed, 30% completed. Forty completed. It is a command line. You don't need any put command line. This software gives automatically command. %60 completed. $80 completed. Guys, completed. It is a binding energy -7.2. Guys, you only selected this binding energy first. This RMS d square root mean squeeze derivation is 0 first, -7.2. You want image this binding energy, go to snipping tool, selected, and is cross means selected. You want this, maximize. This is a full. Guys, I this visualize protein and ligand interaction using Discovery Studio. Open Discovery Studio. This is the interface of BioVia Discovery Studio. File, edit, view, chemistry, structure, sequence, chart, scripts, tool, windows, and help. Guys, this protein file create in Pyrex folder. Okay, file, open, Windows 10 C, user, go to Pyrex folder, Bansode in MGL tool. It is a Pyrex folder. At that time, convert this protein into PDBQT. At that time, this file created in Pyrex folder. Okay, I show Pyrex and this is a micromolecules. This is a 1JR4. This file folder created automatically in this Pyrex folder. 1JR4 selected all files. See guys, it is a protein 1JR4. It is a COMT catechol-methyl transfer, and this output file of that ligand ITCOP1. I selected this protein and open. It is a protein catechol-methyl transferase, and file open, selected ligand. This is ligand ITCOP1. Open this. It is ITCOP1 and right click, give color blue. Okay. This copy. Guys, you also drag it that ligand and protein, and after copy you select this 1JR4, select this and paste this. Our ligand bind to protein nicely. It is our ligand and this is a protein. You want 2D diagram which amino acid interact with that ligand, go to that show 2D diagram. Guys, see, is ligand bind this type of amino acid like lysine 202, tyrosine, alanine, lysine, valine, threonine, glutamate, all these. You want publication quality for your research paper and review article, go to script and visualization, script, visualization and publication quality. This is a publication quality. The lots of research paper and review article shows interaction in this format. It is our protein and ligand. This is binding nicely. Guys, in this study, it is a primary study of drug discovery. You concluded our ligand interact with these protein molecules with this amino acid, and you go to further out in vitro study and in vivo study. It is binding energy also good, 7.2. It is a marketed product, ITCOP1. In that way you can select any ligand, any protein, any your newly synthesized molecule. You change this functional group also in this ITCOP1, add other functional group, and you concluded, you guess, you analyze this result using Bio Discovery Studio. That's all in the today videos. Guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel.